Hey everyone, thanks for coming back for another video. In this video, I am detailing my trashed minivan using mostly Dollar Tree products. My life has been wild lately, and my minivan has always been last on my to-do list, but I was forced into giving it a good deep clean because my son dropped a whole container of chocolate milk, and it is summertime, so the smell took over quickly. If you're new here, hello and welcome. I'm Becca. I'm a mom of 3. 2 of my children are on the autism spectrum, and I like to share content around budget living, cleaning, DIY, food, and anything lifestyle related. If that is something you're into, I would love to have you stick around and join our community. There are a lot of awesome people in this community sharing tips and good conversations in the comments. And if you are new, please drop a comment below. I would love to say hey and welcome you. And to all of my regular girls, you know I love you and always look forward to talking to you in the comments. So this van was actually much worse. I took it in to get an oil change from Jiffy Lube, and I have never had my oil changed by anybody other than my ex-husband, so I immediately apologized for the mess. When I picked up my car, they had cleaned out so much trash, vacuumed, and washed the windows. I was pretty shocked and embarrassed, so shout out to the boys at Jiffy Lube for helping this tired mom out. So I am not detail geek, and I do not have all these fancy gadgets and cool techniques on cleaning my trashed van. He is very good at what he does. Nope, I'm just basic Becca using a home shampooer and some Dollar Tree supplies, breaking a sweat and my nails, trying to get this moldy milk out of my minivan. I start off by removing all of the trash and removing the car seat covers and throwing them in the wash. I then grab my trusty bucket of soapy water you all see me clean with frequently and give the interior of the van a good scrub. It was about 350 degrees in my van and I was baking, so I took mini breaks and changed into some shorts. So I don't know if I'm alone on this, but I always name my vehicles. My last vehicle was a rusted out pickup truck, and it reminded me of Mater from Cars. So I named him Rusty. So I saved up my money and purchased this van with cash, and I thought she deserved a better name, so I named her Barbie. She gets sassy and makes a loud clicking noise when you turn on the air. So my daughter and I have a joke that is her alter ego, and we named her alter ego Machine Gun Kelly. So if you're a weirdo like me and you name your cars, I've got to know, and I need to know the name because I love that. So please let me know in the comments.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I
I always love when I can stop at a new Dollar Tree, and I've never been to this one before because I was in a different town, and I was really happy with their car selection. It looked like it had been picked through, but they have some pretty decent stuff, so I wouldn't sleep on the Dollar Tree.
I can feel it, I feel it, yeah. Oh, I believe it, yeah. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy. I can feel it, I feel it, oh, 'cause I can feel the energy.
So because she's old and has some rust, I like to go over every few months with some car spray paint and touch up any new scratches or rust that has come through again. So here she is, all cleaned up. She's a beaut, Clark. 10 points to anybody who can name that movie. It is one of my all-time favorites. But please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy motivational cleaning videos like this, so that way I know to produce more content. It also really helps out my channel, so I appreciate it very much. But that's all for this video, you guys. I look forward to talking to you in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one.